It's a floating phone case. Let's make sure you get floating phone case. Let's make sure you get the sales pitch. And then we'll do slides. And then we'll do questions, okay? Alright, so.
Alright, everybody, we have our next group, which is known as the floating phone case. It's their project. Alright, let's give them a hand.
I want to start off by saying thank you all for coming here and joining us for today. And I have one question for you all. When's the last time you dropped your phone?
Today.
When's the last time you broke your phone by
Today.
And then when was the last time you went to buy a phone just because you dropped your phone?
A week ago.
But what if you could save all that money and just buy one phone case and then just keep that and then you would save a lot of money? So to start off, my name is Malachi.
My name is Nacio. My name is Tony. My name is Courtney.
Now we will be presenting a slideshow about our idea.
Our idea is a floating phone case that has motion sensors and a fan at the bottom. So when you're dropping your phone or it falls off like a desk or something, the motion sensors will sense that it's falling, and then it will send a message to the fan that it needs to start. So then the fan will bring your phone and it will start hovering on the floor, then it will come up and then it'll to your hands. And your phone case, you will put your thumb on the phone case on the bottom, and it will read your DNA, so then it knows if it's you or if it's another user.
Wow.
So our phone case is $155 because it has advanced technology other than a regular phone case that will just protect the back side of your phone. And some of the strings are that it will never be able to fall down and it will crack if it drops. There will be two little fans on the side, on both sides, that will help it maneuver around when it's coming back to you. For example, you can be zip lining and you're trying to record yourself and then you drop your phone. Then it will search for your DNA and then come to you.
So some of our weaknesses. We are currently not waterproof. So let's say if you're swimming and you accidentally drop your phone into the water. Sorry about that, but apparently it's not waterproof, so you're going to have to go buy another.
Maybe in the future we'll make it waterproof.
And our opportunities are, so when we're working with Samsung and iPhone company to make like updates, and then we're also trying to put them out in stores like Walmart and Target so we can get more money and things that we need to go on.
Some of the threats are that one of the threats is hard phones and hard phone cases. Ours is like it's kind of like a competitive of how they are competing with like Apple in different phone stores that have hard phone cases and hard phones. Another one is that
So that if your phone case, like you know how when you drop your phone, then your phone case gets all scratched up? Ours is scratch proof. So that when you drop it, it won't get scratched.
And another one of our threats is new companies trying to take our idea and modify it and make it better. So we are trying to make ours different from the other ones. Now we have come to the end of our presentation. Would you like to ask any questions?
Alright, we are going to start from that end this time with the shark, so go ahead.
So, I love your idea. Nice pitch. So, what skills would you need? What kind of people would you want to employ to help you build your product?
We would build like a tech person to actually like put the technology inside the phone so to make it float.
Yeah. So, can you
And we would also need
specifically-
electric engineering.
Yeah. Okay. Electrical engineering. Can you one?
We also need the programmers so they can program it. So like the phone cases know what's going on.
Yeah. And one more question. You also need a user tester to make sure that you test it before you put it out in product. Good job.
Next.
First, I wanted to thank you for your honesty. Not just did you tell us about the strengths, you also told us the weaknesses, which is really important because if you didn't and then you sold a bunch of these cases and someone dropped their phone in the water and it broke, they would get really mad and your company would probably go, so that's something that I would love to have in a business partner, honesty.
You can't have that.
All right, next.
Awesome, you guys all look lovely, your presentation was wonderful. I also really like the SWOT analysis. I think in the future, if you guys ever have presentations, one way to like incorporate that and add on to that is maybe look at the threats and see how you can combat those threats. So things like something you mentioned is that like other companies may come and steal your idea, right? So like maybe thinking about ways you can prevent that from happening, whether it be filing a patent or like whatever you choose to do. Okay, I have a question. I like my phone cases like a specific color and a like specific texture. So I was wondering, are your phone cases customizable or is it kind of a standardized concept? And in addition to that, do you think you would ever expand to other devices like maybe iPads or laptops and things like that?
Yes, we are currently trying to discover a way to put them on Androids. And yes, we have an app that you can use. So if you wanted to customize your own case, you would be able to do that. It'll probably take a while for it to ship to you.
Next, good job.
Appreciate it.
So I love the sales pitch. You excited the crowd, which is very important. I mean, you're going, the tackling the problem one by one. That was amazing. I loved it. So on the technicality part, are you going to use something related to GPS to get to the? Go ahead.
We are going to use a GPS that will connect to your phone, so it can be on Bluetooth, and the GPS will scan your thumbprint, and then it will use the GPS to know where you have been, and it will go to where you go most.
Excellent. So even if I lost my phone, it can automatically come to me.
Yes.
That's very good. Thank you.
Good job, next, last one.
Yeah, I love your presentation, especially the part at the beginning. Like I dropped my phone on the way here, and it got me thinking, like, what if I had a better time? So, I had another technical question. Have you thought about how it's going to be powered? Like, would it have its own battery? Would it run off the phone's battery?
It will run off your phone's battery.
Okay.
So while charging your phone, it will charge.
Okay. Sounds like a good solution.
And again, excellent presentation. Good work, y'all. 2 questions. Why do you project $45 profit per phone? That's the first one. Any reason? You just want 45? You got to get your 45.
Well, we will actually use $20 to pay the employees.
Say it again?
we actually used another 20 to
So you have to
pay.
pay your employees, right? And there's probably like materials costs, right? Okay, fair enough. And then, how do you tell if the phone's falling down face forward, face down, or bottom down? Like, are you like switching your fans, or like, what's going on with the fans to make that work?
Like,
So the motion sensors will help the phone maneuver to the two fans on the sides. So
Oh,
it will
sides.
make the phone flip over and
What? That's funny. I was just thinking like, how's this gonna work? And like, he just solved it. Okay. All right.
All right, do we have any audience questions? Any audience questions? Yes, go ahead.
My question is, how did you determine your price point and profit margin?
we determined the price point and the profit margin about how much the materials are and how much we are going to split between the employees and
Any other questions? Have any other questions? All right, if we have no other questions, then let's get